amazing open house today. It is amazing. We have one school, two locations. This is on 103rd and 22nd Avenue. This is our PLC, where we house all of our kindergarten group and also our first grade group. This group is so dear to me. Why? Because this is the foundation of everything that they'll be learning all the way up to 8th grade. Thank you, family, for coming on out here. We enjoyed ourselves, and we look forward to another time here at Henry Reeves.